Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe and like.
Today we're making baked Pluvera chicken. I've washed the chicken off camera, scarred it, and I've chopped it in half and taken out all the insides. You're going to need your onions, spring onions, some seasoning, and garlic and ginger paste. Add the onions, spring onions, garlic and ginger paste and the seasonings. You find the list of the seasoning in the description. Then you add 2 cups of water, let it boil slowly on a low heat for an hour to an hour and a half. As your chicken is boiling, make sure to turn it every 20 minutes so the seasoning goes everywhere. When the chicken is ready, place it in a baking tray. Add the extra stock that was left over to add some flavor to the chicken. Then you put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, making sure to turn it every 10 minutes. And you can put it on the highest heat. This is just to get it to have some color. And there it is ready. Now onto the cutting. You can cut this chicken however you want to, but I'll show you how I'm used to cutting the chicken. Just make sure that your chicken is already cooled down before you start cutting, or else you're going to burn yourself. I try not to cut it in such small pieces because I want each serving to have enough chicken. But for example, if I was doing this for a party, then I would probably cut it in smaller pieces just to have enough. There it is, cut and ready. I served it with rice and beans.